tight. Ready? Short turn. Up. Hold tight. Up. Hold tight. Up.
What happened, hon?
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Hello?
Baho, unsa man sa balita ni mo diha? Bang sa balita.
Nagtanaw kami balita. Makasasa sa lata.
Unsa may nag-unsa man kada te? Unsa inyo gikaon? Oh, lami.
Naglaway. Ano ba yung oras siya?
Alas, hapit na alas 8.
Ayuhan mo din ko nagpasa.
Ay, oo. Sama ka mo atog Davao. Nay! My grandma. Nay! Nay, unsa na balit? Unsa na magibati, nay? Unsa na magibati sa likod? Unya, unsa nagpa-check up ka sa doktor? Hi guys, it's been raining and I forgot my camera. Tommy decided to run here to So we're here in Macy's. We're looking in Macy's. I don't know if there's Macy's here. GCPN here. And it's raining and it's cold. I'm wet. I'm not ready. So good morning, guys. I'm using Tammy's cell phone right now too. Yeah, GCPN is close right there. So we came up here, guys, to do the Macy's to pick up something. Okay, we're here. Oh, look, GCPN is close. Still early for Momo. Victoria's Secret right there. It's really obvious. It's pink. No. So the guard said, "Are you guys working here?" Because only people come in work. Because they said they're open 10 o'clock. So now where we're going on? Look, they're still closed. Everything is covered. Swarovski. I like Swarovski. I guess we're going back to our car. Ghost. Hi guys, we are back here in the car. Tammy just walked all over the place. We turn over there to get the Macy's. To go to Macy's.
Yeah, nobody said nothing to me. They all something to you. You work here, and then you gotta leave. Nobody said nothing about me. I'm not leaving.
What do you think? Because I'm kid looking?
Nope. I think it's because I didn't have a jacket on.
Somebody thought that they're open at 9. It's that guy right there.
It says 9 o'clock.
They're open 10. And I don't even ready myself. Like, look at me. I don't have my camera. I don't have no video for today. When we get home, we have to film. I can edit, upload today. Honey, stop doing that. That's why I give you... The rain! The rain!
The plane, wants to play.
The plane, the plane. Tammy decided to park in the parking space. I'm going to fart. What? Be careful, honey, because this is stinky.
One of them paint peeling farts.
Why is it pink?
Paint peeling.
Oh.
Peel the paint right off the car.
Ah, shit, that's really stink. If it's going to do that,
That's what I say.
I don't have stink fart. Where are you going? There's parking over here.
Well, Macy's over there.
It looks like they're not open yet. Thank you, hon. Okay, we're here. We're the first Level 3. Look at it. They have tons of nice stuff over here. You walk really fast. Oh, we're looking for a kid dress. Kid's dress. It's right there. Right there. Oh, probably it's right here if you're looking for. So what we do here, guys, is we're just going to pick up what Tommy ordered online. We just get back, guys, and their dogs are hungry. It's already 12 o'clock and I don't have a video yet. And they're hungry and they're fighting. And right here is hungry. And we still have to go to the house. Whew. And I kind of hungry and I want to pee and I don't have a video. Hi, guys. I'm just editing really fast because we just got home. We spend so much in the freaking Macy's. Because we get the thing, they open 10 o'clock and then we get in finally, and then they give us a bad product from Macy's and we look at it in the garage, and then we came back in to return it because the pot that Tommy ordered, it's ruined. The box is already ruined, so Tommy looked at it, and when we look at the product itself, everything is ripped inside, like it's, you know, it's used for freaking how many years. And we return it. We spend more time over there. We went to CVS after. We came home. We feed the dog. Tommy eating now. Me, I just go direct to my laptop and edit the video.
And the dog's complaining.
I'm low-bat, guys.
Always.
I'm dead.
Plug it in.
This is not a plug. I have a battery here.
Put it in.
Yeah.
There you go. She's got a spare battery that's dead. Good to be.
Drive careful, hun.
Good to have all this equipment to make sure that you're like, you don't have problems and then not charge none.
So guys, we are heading to his appointment because we made the appointment. He made an appointment really fast for his dentist. It's not dentist, it's an emergency walk-in dentist. It's already 1:03 in the afternoon and his appointment is 2:30 and we get there 2:14. It's very short time. So tight. So now, guys, I'm wearing my new glasses. It's really nice. Guys, thanks Fermo again. Thanks Fermo for sending these glasses. Hi guys, I just want to put this video together with the video that I uploaded now. This video that you see talking about the eyeglasses, guys. I like it so much and there is different kind of variety. There's a lot of different styles. The Fermo website sent me this. Let's say it again. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna do it again. And they sent this for free and they give me the link. Also, they sent me an email this morning and they give me the link, guys, for you to get a free glasses just like mine. I got this for free, and if you are interested, if you wanna try, you can get this for free and just click the link down below. I will put the link in the description box, guys, and click it and you will get it for free. And I don't know about the shipping, but you can try it, guys. Try you guys. If you don't like the shipment, then you know you don't have to. But and the case really strong. I like it so much. And no kidding, guys, this is free and it's not like give me money. They don't pay me guys to how do you call that? They don't pay me for to, you know, promote their product from Fermo, but they send this to me for free, but they don't pay me for anything to introduce these glasses to you guys. But if you're interested, if you are interested, if you're not, it's okay. But if you're interested, it's free, guys. All you have to pay, I think, is the shipment. Yeah, he is ridiculous, guys.
It's too ridiculous to talk to me.
I said, watch your speed, hand, because there's a lot of cops, you're speeding. And then he said, I'm gonna keep watching the speed, hand. I'm not gonna look at the road. Who's ridiculous now?
You.
I'm looking for my chopstick.
That was ridiculous.
I found it in my bag. I also bring the turon, guys, the turon with the OB in it, the OB, the purple yam in it, OB inside, and fish and macaroni salad for my tummy. I wanna like hold over here.
Okay, you hold it. Hold tight, ready? Shot turn, up, hold tight, up, hold tight, up, hold tight.
Hand, don't play, please.
Phone just went in the seat.
Don't play here because the exit turn over here is like ridiculous. You later see.
Asshole.
Now Roxy is an asshole. Not just Roxy, Misty too.
Well, Misty asshole.
Asshole.
What about you? Special ed asshole.
Special ed. No, don't speed over here because this is a freaking 55 here. I feel bad of leaving Roxy though. Misty
No,
and
you
that
don't. Otherwise you would take them with you, but you never take them.
You never take them.
You don't want to. Every time I suggest it, no, I don't. I can't get nothing done. They annoy me. I leave them there. They're gonna annoy you.
No, next time I'll bring them in there.
Yeah. Say that every time.
But if I have an interview, I can bring them over there.
Why? You can stay home by themselves for a while.
No, and then they will be everywhere.
Oh, please. Leave them home in the house by themselves.
Guys, we can't see ahead of us.
You can see ahead of you. What are you talking about?
Huh?
Of course you can see ahead of you.
No, we can see, but look, did you see the fog? The far distance we can. You can barely see over there. It's really foggy afternoon. Fog. Ugly. Ugly. I kind of look like a teacher having these eyeglasses. Do I look like a teacher now? Sit.
Yeah, hold a big stick.
Yeah, I like that. I like teacher kind of thing. They have a big stick and they do like this in the board. Read this. Dun. This is the cat eating
your mouth
a yeah. No, in the Philippines, teacher can just punish kids, but not really bad punishment. But they can punish like do the hand. Put your hands in the desk, and then what did you do? But like that. Over here, if the teacher do something, say something, and hit the kid, you're gonna get sued and you're gonna get out of work.
It used to be when I was young. They'd take a big old ruler and crack you right in the head with it. And you're like,
I thought that's the law since
crack your
before.
knuckles with it.
I thought that's the law since before that
No.
you can sue the teacher.
No, when I was a kid.
But now, guys, everything is so. I will sue you. The kids sue us very, very wise nowadays because over here, when the teacher gives you a look, the kids will tell to the parents, and the parents will do to the school board or teacher or principal, and then that's it. You're gonna be in trouble. People, honey, what happened, hon? People behind you, oh, and then you're in the left lane. Tommy! Oh my God, guys! What the frick? Look at my camera. It's low but because you did that. What? Kanina pa kami dito, guys. Kanina pa kami. Pero sira yung machine nila. So, naghintay na lang kami kung kailan maayos kasi giba daw. Sira. So, yan. Napagod na yung isa. Sabi pa ni Tommy, punta ka sa Bed Bath and Beyond. Asan ba ang Bed Bath and Beyond? Oh, it's just right here. Hold on. I'm gonna go there. Okay. Tingin-tingin lang ako, guys, ha. Wala naman kasi akong dalang pera or wallet. So, katulad itong sa amin ay. Pero mas maganda to. Lobat din ako, so mamaya na lang, guys. Bed Bath and Beyond. Oh, I like this. Oh, hold on. It's a fruit thing. Nice. A cute dog. Oh, I like this. Oh, it's plastic. The thing is, they don't have glass. Maybe this is glass. Who knows? Hi, guys. I just came in here, guys, just to get the charger to charge my phone because my phone is dead low battery. You know, we've been here already for like almost 2 hours now. Shout out to sis. I don't know her name, but her Facebook name it is Mikey's. But she has a daughter, Keisha. Hi, Keisha. Shout out to Ate Amy Pangko, Marivic Salvador. And also shout out to Rudy Bruson, Michelle Dalit. I don't know if I shout out you, Michelle Dalit. Hi, thank you sis for watching. I'm done editing. I edit the video here, the video for today's video, because I've been like, with Tom and I have been like walking everywhere, so I edit the video here and I'm done with that, and it's ready to upload for when we get home. And I told Tommy I don't want to go to grocery, we're just gonna go home, and I told him to pick up milk here if they have egg also. I'm sure they have egg, so that's what he's going to do. Yeah, so finally they took that tooth out of him because bothers him, guys. If you don't know that, because Tommy is always just like, you know, laugh and like, and me seeing him, even talking to him, he's more like, you know, normal. But sometimes when he's alone, I can see him doing like this. It's killing him, like at the pain. This is egg, right? So you got your medication. That's really fast, huh? They call them. Oh, that's nice. Hey, it's a police. Oh,
No, I think they call them in.
oh, it's locked in.
They left in their car.
Yeah, she can't get in. She can't get into her car, so she called a cab. Why cab can help you with that? I thought cab won't help you.
No, they can help you. Yeah, milk pancake.
It's really flat. It's really light. Seems like this is not real thing, Han. Because usually it's heavy.
Okay.
What is this under here?
It distributes the heat.
Color, copper. Oh, this one is nice. I love it. This one right here. Over there, oh. I'm gonna make Tommy a fish. This fish is do you know what kind of fish is this? Tilapia. No, it's not tilapia, something. Tommy's fish is cooked, guys, and I'm making mine. It's right here. And I'm gonna cover it like that. Look at him, guys. I thought he really is in pain. He's in pain, but he can't do it. He doesn't have nothing to do, so he's cleaning up. So I'm uploading the video, guys. It's gonna be live soon. And we just had our dinner, and yeah, so it's time for us to chillax. I'm just gonna finish this one upload and then put it live, okay? Be right back.
When was the last time you did this?
When I was here. No. What is today? The last week of March? The beginning of March. So we're gonna do it anyway. In the cabinet over there. I put it over there that I won't forget. We need to buy more. But there is a pads over there you got. We never use it really.
There's a box of this. Was there any more to eat?
No more. That's it. I forgot to tell you though. You have the box over there. You told me it's only 1 each every time. This is what we do, guys. Redix to do the septic, right, Han? No, Tommy is doing laundry also here. Laundry, ano ni? It's dark already. I love you. Where did you put it? Okay, guys, let's go with me upstairs. Wearing gray again, and I'm just gonna brush my teeth.
But now to find out why you did it.
Wow, really? Did you just...
It's all women.
Not expect that, did you? Geez, I hope Sweets is prepared if there's an emergency.
Hi guys, good evening. It's at 8 o'clock already, guys, and we are going to end this vlog right now. Yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And Tommy is having a lot of pain. It's normal for that thing, but it sucks at the same time because pain, guys, pain. I feel bad for him. And you told me that I have a laundry. I have few laundry upstairs. Yeah, I know. I forgot. I really don't. No, it's already cycled halfway. No. Forget it because I'm gonna be here for a while anyway. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Good night. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Night, guys. Somebody comment, honey. They said our favorite is black. Oh, you take your medicine.